Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Arteon EL 2.0 TDI M6F15 in sleek grey. This hatchback is loaded with top-of-the-line features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking and more. With luxurious interior trim and cutting-edge safety technology, this vehicle offers comfort and peace of mind on every journey. Plus, with a powertrain warranty and anti-corrosion warranty, you can drive with confidence. Our vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Call us or visit laharts.ie for more information. Drive home in style and safety today.